Hi guys, Diane here, and today I actually wanted to talk to you a little bit about the one thing I noticed that every single business owner has gotten wrong about their business and what no one really tells you about running your own business. So I recently started on, kind of this journey of reflection and, spirituality and self-awakening. Don't worry, I'm not going to get super zen on you or super guru on you. But as I've reflected in kind of my progression in business, I realized that there is one thing that I struggled with and that pretty much every single business owner I've either worked with or come in contact with has also struggled with. And this is the mindset, right? No one ever tells you that the hardest part of actually running your business isn't in the execution work, it's in your mind, right? There are so many coaches and courses and blogs and gurus and a lot of content out there that tells us that how to build our businesses, that tells us what we need to do, the formula, the tech components, all of that stuff. But the biggest hurdle that you're going to face over and over and over again, because I know that I have, and so many people that I've come in contact with have also faced in their business, is tackling themselves. It's not about, cracking the latest Facebook algorithm or coming up with the best copywriting strategy. It's all about the way that we view our business and the way that we progress forward from there. And also the way that we value ourselves as business owners. So I'll give you an example. Something that I hear 100% of the time. Literally every single business owner I've met, I've worked with, I've connected with, I've just, chatted with in passing has said something along the lines of, I'll get help, I'll hire, I'll outsource, I'll delegate when I hit X dollars in revenue, when I have X number of clients, when I reach X size in my business, when I've built my business to X, etc., etc., etc. I hear tons and tons of variations of this statement, and I even fed myself variations of this statement, as I was building my own business. And what this really means for business owners and is that we don't really value ourselves and our own time and our abilities because we're willing to waste them on tasks that are not producing a very high ROI. And, we see help as an outflow, as a loss in resource, a loss in time, or a loss in money, but that isn't the case at all. And this is what every business owner really needs to know about their business. You are the most valuable asset in your business. Whether you are a solopreneur all the way to the top CEO of a Fortune 500 company, you and your time are the most valuable resource in the business. So let me give you an example. So Bill Gates, at the beginning, he built his business on his skill set as a computer programmer, a computer engineer. But even to this day, even when he's stepped down as CEO, he is still a vital component in the vision and the products, in the way that the business progresses forward. So I want you to value your own time, your own abilities in your business the same way. You are the most valuable component in your business. You need to shift your mindset around how you think about your business growth, and how you're going to think about your business evolution, because you can't do everything yourself and you really need to be focused on the things that you're going to do best. So there's really it's never too soon to really ask for help because your abilities are priceless. And the more time you spend thinking, I'm just going to delay it, I'm going to ask for help, I'm going to delegate, I'm going to get support down the road, is delaying your own success. So I know this is kind of a heavy topic for a lot of business owners out there. So let me know what you think. Have you shifted your mindset in this way? Is this something that you are thinking of? Is this a new concept to you altogether? Let me know what you think about getting help within your business and your own mindset about your value to the business and your time. Until next time, this is Diane. Bye.